After traveling to over 80 countries, I've learned some travel hacks that save time, money, and stress. It's the small, smart moves that make travel smoother and more enjoyable. In this video, I'm sharing 10 powerful field-tested tips every traveler should know. We'll cover everything from saving on card transactions to always having internet when you land. Mastering these tricks is what separates a good traveler from a great one. Some of these might just change how you travel forever. Let's go! When paying by card abroad, it's easy to get caught up in the moment, focusing on the excitement of your trip and overlooking the details of the transaction. But paying attention to these details can save you a significant amount of money. Always, without exception, choose the local currency. This is a golden rule for international travel. Never opt for your home currency. This seemingly convenient option can be a costly trap. Letting the foreign payment processor convert the currency for you might seem like a helpful service, but it comes at a steep price. It means you lose anywhere from 2 to 6% every single time you make a purchase. These fees can quickly accumulate, turning what seemed like a small convenience into a significant expense. Your bank almost always provides a better, more favorable exchange rate than these foreign payment processors. They have established systems and competitive rates that are generally more advantageous for you. That tempting pay in dollars option that pops up on the screen? It's a sneaky practice called dynamic currency conversion, or DCC for short. It's a sneaky way for merchants to pad their profits by adding hidden fees and unfavorable exchange rates. They're essentially preying on your desire for convenience. Over the course of a week-long trip, those seemingly small fees can add up surprisingly fast, significantly impacting your overall travel budget. So, the next time the card machine presents you with that crucial currency choice, remember to always, without hesitation, pick the local currency. Whether it's euros in Europe, yen in Japan, or pesos in Mexico, or whatever the local currency may be, it might initially feel a little odd or unfamiliar not seeing the final dollar amount displayed right away, but trust me, your bank statement will thank you when you see the more favorable exchange rate applied. Make it a habit to always choose the local currency. It's a simple, almost effortless way to keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket where it belongs. So, next time you find yourself at a checkout counter in a foreign country, ready to make a purchase, remember this simple yet powerful rule: always choose local. Don't let those sneaky hidden fees and unfavorable exchange rates eat away at your precious travel budget. It's your money, you worked hard for it. Keep it safe and sound, right where it belongs, in your pocket. Take control of your finances, make informed decisions, and avoid falling victim to the dreaded tourist tax. This is one of the easiest and most effective ways to save money while traveling, allowing you to enjoy your trip to the fullest without unnecessary financial burdens. Need someone to pick you up from the airport? Just text them your flight number, like BA142. On iPhones and many Androids, it auto-links so they can track your flight live. No more frantic texts or missed pickups. The recipient taps the link and sees your real-time flight status, arrival time, and even delays. It works for friends, family, car services, or Airbnb hosts. No extra apps, no confusion, just a simple text. It's a tiny action that saves a huge amount of hassle. Next time you fly, send your flight number and relax. Let technology handle the updates. You focus on your trip. Travel logistics simplified. Using iOS 18 or later? Open your calculator and enable the currency converter. Type in 10,000 HUF and instantly see the value in your home currency. No more switching between apps or guessing rates. It's fast, offline, and accurate. Perfect for markets or taxis. Just type the amount and currency code and get a precise conversion. The app updates rates when you're online, so it works even without data. No more mental math or clunky apps. It's a small update, but a huge upgrade for travelers. Make sure your phone's updated before your next trip. Use the calculator's currency feature and travel smarter. One less thing to worry about on the road. Simple, seamless, and always ready. Try it. You'll use it every day. At a restaurant with no English menu? Open Google Lens, tap Translate, and scan the menu. Instantly you see the translation. No awkward questions or guessing. Google Lens overlays English right on the menu, keeping the format. It works in real time with dozens of languages, even Japanese or Cyrillic. Use it for menus, street signs, museum placards, or instructions. It's a universal translator in your pocket. You can confidently order, explore, and discover new dishes. No more language barriers or accidental surprises. Download the Google app before your trip. Next time you're faced with a foreign menu, just scan and read. It's like having a superpower for travel. Eat like a local, anywhere in the world. Adventure without limits. Arriving in a new country should be exciting, not stressful. But the moment you step off the plane, the need for connectivity hits you. Don't waste precious travel time standing in long airport lines, waiting to buy a physical SIM card. Those kiosks can be a real bottleneck, especially after a long flight. Instead, download an eSIM before your trip. It's a simple step you can take from the comfort of your home, ensuring you're connected the second you arrive. Planning ahead saves you time, money, and a whole lot of hassle. Several user-friendly apps like Airalo or SimLocal make the process incredibly easy. These platforms offer a variety of eSIM plans tailored to different countries and data needs. With just a few taps, these apps let you buy and install a digital SIM in minutes. No more searching for local stores or dealing with language barriers. The entire process is streamlined and intuitive. The best part? Most modern smartphones now support eSIMs. Check your phone's specifications to confirm compatibility. You might be surprised to find that your device is already eSIM ready. The activation process is incredibly straightforward. Just scan a QR code provided by your eSIM provider and you're set. It's a quick, paperless, and hassle-free way to get connected. When you land in your destination country, simply switch to your eSIM in your phone's settings. It's usually just a toggle switch away, and just like that, you're instantly online. No waiting, no activation delays, just immediate access to the internet. Start exploring, navigating, and sharing your experiences right away. Forget about the frustration of fumbling with tiny SIM cards that are easy to lose or damage. Those days are over. Say goodbye to the shock of expensive roaming charges from your home carrier, and avoid the inflated prices often found at airport SIM card vendors. With eSIM technology, you can easily keep your home SIM active for important calls and texts, ensuring you don't miss anything while you're abroad. It's the best of both worlds. Need a ride from the airport? Order an Uber or Lyft with ease. Lost and need directions? Access maps and navigation apps instantly. Want to let your family know you've arrived safely? Message them on WhatsApp or your preferred messaging app as soon as you step off the plane. In most cases, eSIMs are significantly cheaper than purchasing a physical SIM card at the airport or relying on international roaming plans. Beyond the cost savings, eSIMs offer unparalleled convenience. The setup is incredibly easy compared to the often complicated process of finding and installing a traditional SIM card. Take care of everything in the comfort of your own home before you even head to the airport. No last-minute scrambles or stressful situations. The actual activation process is lightning fast, often taking just seconds to complete. It's a seamless and efficient experience. Overall, using an eSIM is a stress-free way to stay connected, allowing you to focus on enjoying your trip to the fullest. Embrace the ease and convenience of this modern technology. Once you experience the benefits of eSIMs, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without them. They're a game changer for international travel. For the modern traveler, an eSIM is more than just a convenience. It's an essential tool. It's a must-have for staying connected and making the most of your adventures. With an eSIM, you can stay connected from the very moment you land, making your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. So, travel smarter, not harder. Embrace the power of eSIM technology and unlock a world of seamless connectivity on your next adventure. Dreaming of exploring a new city, soaking in its culture, and uncovering its hidden gems? But is the thought of hefty expenses holding you back? Well, fret no more. There's a fantastic way to discover a city without emptying your wallet. Free walking tours. Simply search City Free Walking Tour on Google to find a variety of options. These tours operate on a tip-based system and are led by passionate locals who are eager to share their love and knowledge of their city. It's the perfect way to get your bearings in a new place, especially at the beginning of your trip. You'll delve into the city's rich history and receive invaluable insider tips that only a local would know. There's absolutely no upfront cost to join a tour. You simply tip what you genuinely think the tour was worth at the end. It's a fair and transparent system. The guides are usually incredibly engaging and knowledgeable, bringing the city to life with their stories and insights. This is because they are motivated to provide an exceptional experience, as their earnings directly depend on your satisfaction. Most tours usually last between 2 to 3 hours, giving you ample time to explore and learn. They efficiently cover the main highlights and iconic landmarks that you simply can't miss. But they also venture off the beaten path to reveal hidden gems and secret alleyways that most tourists never discover. Don't hesitate to ask your guide for recommendations on local restaurants or the best bars to experience the city's nightlife at the end of the tour. You'll receive authentic tips and recommendations that you simply won't find in any guidebook. It's like having a friend show you around their city. Plus, it's a fantastic way to meet other travelers from around the world, sharing experiences and making new friends. By participating, you're also directly supporting local guides and contributing to the community's tourism ecosystem. Just remember to bring some cash with you so you can tip your guide at the end of the tour. Free walking tours truly offer the best value in travel, providing an enriching and memorable experience without breaking the bank. So, kick off your trip with a free walking tour. You'll get to see the city through the eyes of a local, gaining a deeper understanding and appreciation for its unique character. After experiencing a free walking tour, you'll never look at sightseeing the same way again. It's a truly transformative travel experience. Put an Apple AirTag or similar tracker in your luggage. If your bag goes missing, you'll know exactly where it is, even if the airline doesn't. For under $30, you get peace of mind. AirTags use Apple's global network to show your bag's location in the Find My app. The moment you land, check if your bag made it with you. If it's lost, you can tell the airline exactly where to look. It turns you from a helpless traveler into an informed one. Countless people have recovered lost bags thanks to trackers. Just toss it in your suitcase and forget about it until you need it. Use one for checked bags, backpacks, or carry-ons. For the price of a coffee or two, it's a no-brainer. Don't risk losing your stuff. Travel with a tracker. It's the easiest insurance you'll ever buy. Found a great Airbnb? Google the host's name or management company. Often, they have a direct website with lower fees. Booking direct can save you 10–15%, sometimes hundreds of dollars. Use Airbnb or VRBO to discover properties, then search for direct booking options. Look for clues in the listing: host name, property name, or company. Search property name, city, and you'll often find their own site. Direct booking means no middleman fees, and hosts usually pass savings to you. Always check the site's legitimacy, look for reviews, and secure payment. I've saved thousands with this simple trick. Make it part of your booking process. Use big platforms for discovery, Google for savings. Take 5 minutes to search before you book. You'll be surprised how much you can save. Ditch bulky universal adapters. Use swappable plug sets, especially if you're an Apple user. Apple's World Travel Adapter Kit lets you swap plugs directly onto your charger. It's compact, lightweight, and fits perfectly in any socket. No more sagging adapters or loose connections. Just slide on the right plug for the country you're in. It keeps your gear looking clean and minimalist. Other brands like Anker offer similar swappable plug designs. Instead of adapting your plug, just change the plug on your charger. It's a smarter, more reliable way to charge devices abroad. Save space, avoid frustration, and charge with confidence. Invest in a swappable plug set for your main charger. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. Travel light, charge right. If an airline or hotel scams you, your credit card can reverse the charge. It's called a chargeback. Debit cards? You're on your own. Pay for big travel expenses, flights, hotels, tours, with a credit card for maximum protection. If something goes wrong, call your bank, explain, and they'll fight for your refund. Credit cards offer a free insurance policy against scams and fraud. With debit cards, your money's gone instantly, and recovery is tough. Always pay off your credit card in full to avoid interest. Use credit cards for major purchases, debit for small stuff. It's your strongest defense when things go wrong abroad. Don't risk losing big money. Use the right card. Leverage credit card protections every time you travel. It's a simple habit that can save you from major headaches. Travel smart, protect your wallet. Those are 10 travel tips I swear by. From saving on every transaction to getting your money back when things go wrong, these hacks make travel smoother. Which tip was new to you? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips. Every trip is a chance to learn something new. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.